Hi guys, it's Janine again with a new video. It's a new unboxing and review. Today we're going to be doing the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. This is the Watch 3. Both of these are the Watch 3 and this is the Watch 4. I bought the Watch 4 Classic because it is the closest to these to the Watch 3. So this is going to be the unboxing and the review of the watch. Also, stay tuned for the accessories video because I have a lot of accessories to go with this Watch 4. This is my watch. And this is my mom's watch. I bought a lot of accessories for my watch. As you can see, it's not the standard leather wristband like my mom's is. You know, I like to go a little blingy. I think I've said that plenty of times. I'm a girly girl, so I like bling. Love bling. And also, I'm wearing gloves. I have a lot of cuts and scrapes on my fingers. Here we go. We're going to do the unboxing. And this is the quick start guide. It says need support, get to know your device, get connected, terms and conditions on the other side. Last time I ripped the box, and this is why, because you can't get this stuff out without ripping this box. Okay, so I'll just go on this end. This is the charger. I think it's the same standard one as all the other ones. You lay the watch on here. You plug it in with the USB. Okay, so let's take it out. I actually like this band. I didn't expect to like this. It's not the standard leather one. It's not this. It's not like this one. I'll say that. But I'm not exactly sure what this is made out of. It might be leather. I don't know. But it's really nice. Now, I've read a lot of reviews where people are saying that these watches with the new sensor that give you third-degree burns on your arm right here. I don't know if you can see my arm. Says it gives you third-degree burns. So I'm gonna wear it for a while and I'm gonna see if that's what it is, if that's what happens. So let's compare. It looks like the watch face is kind of looks like it's the same size. I mean, does that look the same size to you? It actually does look like it's the same size. But I was under the impression that it was bigger. And I can say that the watch band is way, well, I won't say way longer. It's the same length as this. It is the same length as the as my mom's. That's the original band. This is the original band that came with it. And it's a little longer. Let's see. Let's put it together. So right here, it's a little longer. Yeah. So it's a tiny, tiny bit longer. So let's get this turned on. I wonder if it needs to be charged first. Because it doesn't look like it's coming on. So, yeah, it's not coming on. So let me charge it up and I'll get back to you. I wanted to see if there was a difference in size. This is the charger that goes with my mom's watch. So I want to see if the charger is any bigger. since it is a bigger watch. I doubt that it's different. Looks like it's the same size. Yeah, it's the exact same size. I just wanted to check that. If anybody wanted to know, they are the same size, nothing different. Okay, so I charged it up for a little bit, not much. And I'm going to turn it on. So I hope it comes on. So I have to press both buttons. I guess I had to press both buttons. Didn't have to do that with the other one. I'm actually really excited because from what I understand, the new one has a more in-depth Samsung Health, which is what I actually have my watch for, to not only register all of my steps, but to also check on my stress, check on my heart rate, also to check my blood pressure. And I was told that it's a more in-depth Samsung Health for the watch. So I'm looking forward to actually diving into it and seeing what it actually does. I think I have to swipe up. I don't think I could do it with the gloves on. Oh, I can't. Good. So I think I'm going to have to set this up in my phone, and I will get back to you in a minute. All set up now, and it says take a tour of your watch. So I'm gonna go to start. Just swipe down from the top to open the quick panel. This pretty much looks like it's the same thing that was on this, so I think all of this information is for someone who has never had a Watch 3. But I'm gonna go ahead and go through it for those who have not seen my other video when I unboxed my Watch 3. Swipe down from the top to open the quick panel. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. For apps, swipe up from the bottom edge. Swipe down to go back to the watch face. For notifications, swipe right. Tap to open this notification. Swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous section. Swipe left to go back to the watch face. For tiles, swipe left. Press the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. And that's it. Enjoy your watch. Don't miss a thing. The orange dot indicates new notifications. The orange dot right there. And it's showing the orange dot right there, so you go ahead and go to your notifications. Get more tips and review the manual. So you go out that way. When I swipe, when I turn this wheel right here to the right, it says daily activities. It says steps, active time, activity, calories, which is awesome. And then it has the walk, the running, cycling, and more. So that's a good thing. But what I noticed here, it says body composition. So from what I understand, this measures your body fat. I don't know, I guess it scans your body. I don't know how it works, but it's going to get all of the information. When I put it on, I will see how that works. But that looks interesting. It says sleep, which what this does is that it monitors how much you sleep. It actually also tells you when you're in a deep sleep. The next day when you wake up, you can go into your health settings. You could probably go into this and it will let you know how long you were sleeping, how there's different stages of sleep. I'll show you all of that at another time. Oh, that's new. Well, I think it's new because I don't remember that. I probably had it before. I don't know. But it's good that it tells you the weather and the date. That's good. ECG, it records your ECG on your watch. Echocardiogram, I think that's what that is, ECG. I can go to learn more. Allow Samsung Health Monitor to access sensor data about your vital signs. Allow. It says following the instructions in Samsung Health Monitor to set up your watch. Okay, so we'll do that later. We'll just go back from that. Monitor your heart rate, which I think it's monitoring my finger right now because it was on my finger. Monitor your stress. This was the favorite part for my mom. She used to always look at her stress level. And then you can add more tiles here. Actually like the way this feels. Pretty sure this is going to be a little bit too big for my arm, but I'm going to see. I do have some watch accessories for this that I will be doing a video about, and I'm going to wear this for a couple of days and let you know how I feel about it.